YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with a little comparison video as well as a brand new product that we like to bring to you guys from HammerTech Solutions. So we're going to kind of go over the differences between the new HammerTech Solutions brass aerator and your traditional plastic aerator. So stay tuned. We're going to dive in and kind of show you guys the differences. All right, guys, and we're back. So again, today we kind of want to show you guys a little comparison between the new HammerTech all brass pool aerator compared to your traditional plastic pool aerator that you guys normally see on the side surfaces of your pool. So as you guys can see, they're literally the same exact height. The threading on the HammerTech is actually going to be the exact same threading, so it'll still fit into that 3/4 inch pipe like your traditional plastic aerator will. The one thing that we really love about this all brass aerator is it kind of gives you like your own little water feature attached to the side of your pool. So we all know the traditional aerator, you turn it on, it spits out, sprinkles of water out into the middle of the pool to just kind of help move the pool surface water around to help cool things down. It helps pull water from underground and blow it up, so then that way everything can kind of cool off, especially in the summertime. Plus, it's kind of a nice little water feature for those of you out here that don't normally have any water features attached. So one really big thing that we love about this is because it's brass, it'll actually give you a little bit of a patina. So then that way you can actually get that nice color from like a traditional copper scupper or something like that. It'll actually start to green and patina and look like like an actual water feature on the side of your pool. And in the beta testing that we've had with this, it's actually produced better water droplets onto the surface of the water. So in traditional aerators with the plastic ones, obviously the water chemistry all plays into effect and how long these will last on the side of your pool. Whereas with this, because it's all brass, you're not going to run into any issues with chemistry. So you're not going to be worried about deteriorating the actual aerator. So it's more of once it reaches its color that you're not really a fan of, then you can replace it with a brand new shiny aerator. Whereas with this one, typically you don't replace these until one of your kids accidentally snaps it off at the side of the pool, or if the plastic has just deteriorated from chemical sun, especially for us out here in Phoenix. That happens a lot, is these get really brittle. So if somebody does just brush by them, they tend to snap. So one really nice thing is that this one obviously won't break. So overall, they are going to produce the same kind of effects. There's not any differences in the water stream. Like I said, the brass one is actually able to distribute the water a little bit better across the pool surface. So it actually creates more of a mist compared to the actual full rain droplet effect that a traditional aerator does. And then the fact that we actually have it reasonably priced. So for a solid one-time fee, obviously compared to every couple seasons, you end up needing to replace these plastic ones. So make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We have these available for you guys now to buy directly on the website. Free shipping. We actually are offering free 2-day shipping on these. So again, just make sure you guys check out the details directly on the website in the links in the description. But for today's video, we just want to kind of show you the new things that HammerTech Solution is actually bringing to the pool industry, aside from our all-metal pop-up head tools that we've had in the past. So we are trying to differentiate and kind of show you guys new things in the market. So if you guys got questions, make sure you guys reach out to us directly. We know a lot about these things as well as the common aerator. So if you guys got any questions about the differences, we're happy to help. Again, make sure you guys hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We've got a ton more videos coming your way. Hopefully a lot more new products from HammerTech Solutions, as we do love everything that they bring to the table. So I really appreciate you guys watching. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.